Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious custard drink at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need milk, sugar, cornstarch, and egg yolks for the creamy base. Don't forget your favorite flavoring like vanilla extract to elevate the taste. Make sure your saucepan, whisk, and serving glasses are all clean and ready to go. This simple preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now, let's start crafting that perfect custard base. Begin by whisking your egg yolks and sugar together until the mixture becomes light in color and creamy in texture. In a separate bowl, dissolve your cornstarch completely in a small amount of cold milk to prevent lumps. Meanwhile, gently heat the rest of your milk in a saucepan over medium heat, being careful not to boil it.
Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this guide on making delicious custard drinks, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. Quick recommendation: after enjoying your homemade custard, you'll want to store leftovers or prep other meals. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. Check the description for the link and other exclusive deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
This step is crucial for a smooth custard. Slowly pour a small amount of the hot milk into your egg and sugar mixture while whisking continuously. This tempering prevents the eggs from scrambling. Then, pour the entire mixture back into the saucepan with the remaining milk. Continue to whisk constantly over medium-low heat until the custard thickens beautifully, usually taking about 5 to 7 minutes. Once your custard has reached the perfect thickness, remove it from the heat immediately. Now is the time to stir in your vanilla extract or any other flavoring you prefer, ensuring it's well combined. Carefully pour the warm custard into your serving glasses or a pitcher. For the best taste and texture, chill the drink in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, allowing it to set and cool completely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.